Welcome back to Hamburlung Studio, where every detail inside your home becomes a chance to express your creativity and elevate your everyday lifestyle. Today, we're diving into a world where nature meets elegance, and small joy touches transform your home inside into a sanctuary of quiet luxury. If you've ever wondered how a simple plant could completely shift the atmosphere of a room, or how rustic textures can blend seamlessly with a glam finish, then this episode is made just for you. In this video, we're exploring the beauty of DIY snake plant decor, a perfect project for those who love decorating with intention, balancing simplicity, warmth, and a subtle sparkle. This isn't just about placing a plant in a corner, it's about crafting a stylish story in every pot, every accent, and every placement. With its sculptural leaves and low-maintenance charm, the snake plant becomes the hero of today's quiet luxury transformation. As we guide you through inspired looks, clever styling choices, and rustic glam textures, you'll discover how these DIY elements can reshape the feeling of your home inside, without overwhelming your budget or your time. Whether you're a seasoned decorator or simply craving a fresh atmosphere, you're about to learn how one meaningful piece of decor can uplift an entire space. Let's begin this creative journey, one handmade detail at a time. Where quiet luxury begins. Imagine walking into your living room and feeling an instant shift, calm, warm, and confidently elegant. That's the power of weaving DIY snake plant decor into your home inside the rustic glam style. In this space, the snake plant becomes more than decor, it becomes a storyteller. Its tall, architectural leaves naturally echo the quiet luxury aesthetic: minimal effort, maximum presence. Begin by selecting a textured pot, think aged clay, matte stone, or lightly distressed wood. Then, elevate it with a subtle glam twist, metallic gold leaf detailing, warm brass handles, or a soft shimmer glaze. Place your DIY pot beside a linen sofa or under a large rustic mirror. Let light hit it just right to draw attention without begging for it. It's decorating with intention, crafting a home inside that speaks softly yet makes a statement. Your living room becomes a sanctuary where rustic charm meets quiet sophistication, all centered around one striking plant you styled with your own hands. breathing life into your daily rituals. The kitchen is where we cook, gather, chat, and dream. Adding DIY snake plant decor here brings warmth that feels lived in yet stylish. Choose a slimmer pot design so it fits seamlessly on countertops or open shelving. For that rustic glam look, combine raw textures with soft shine, like a wooden planter wrapped with a gold wire frame. Or a distressed ceramic bowl lightly brushed with metallic accents. This isn't just decorating your kitchen, it's designing a breath of nature into your everyday routines. Every morning coffee feels grounded, every late-night snack is accompanied by a touch of quiet luxury. The snake plant thrives in mixed lighting, making it perfect for the heart of your home inside. With just one DIY touch, your kitchen becomes an inspiring corner of beauty and function. Creating a statement of warm hospitality. Your dining space deserves something intentional, something that connects comfort with elegance. A DIY Rustic Glam snake plant centerpiece delivers exactly that. Start with a long wooden tray or antique-looking bowl. Place a medium-sized snake plant in the center and surround it with warm candlelight. LED candles with gold accents work beautifully. Add pebbles, rustic twine, or even vintage cutlery as decorative fillers. This centerpiece doesn't just decorate your dining table, it transforms it. The quiet luxury vibe invites family and friends to slow down, appreciate the moment, and enjoy good conversation. Your home inside becomes a reflection of your creativity, your personality, and your welcoming spirit. A simple plant becomes a symbol of style and care, all through your own DIY vision. Everyday spa vibes through DIY details. Bathrooms often get overlooked in decorating, but this is where the magic of quiet luxury really shines. A snake plant can handle humidity with ease, making it perfect for a spa-like transformation. Craft a DIY rustic glam planter using a woven basket lined with a waterproof insert. Decorate the outside with light gold beading or painted brushstrokes for that subtle glam finish. Place the plant on a vanity, a shelf, or near the tub. Suddenly, the room feels intentional, like a curated retreat rather than a functional corner. This small addition makes your home inside feel more put together, more peaceful, and more luxurious without going overboard. The rustic glam look thrives on balance, and your bathroom becomes the perfect showcase of that harmony. Bringing rustic glam outdoors. Your garden is where rustic charm already lives, but with a little DIY, you can introduce a hint of glam that feels natural. Snake plants thrive both indoors and outdoors, making them the perfect centerpiece for a quiet luxury garden nook. Create a larger DIY planter using reclaimed wood or stone. Then, add glam accents, metallic screws, brushed gold corner brackets, or decorative inlays. Group several snake plants of varying sizes to form a structured, stylish cluster. As sunlight plays across the leaves and the metallic accents, your garden will look intentionally designed, an extension of your home inside that flows seamlessly outdoors. Visitors will sense that balance of grounded rustic texture and elevated glam sparkle, a signature style unique to you. there you have it, your step-by-step guide to transforming everyday corners with DIY Snake Plant Decor, blending rustic charm and glam elegance for that perfect quiet luxury aesthetic. We explored how thoughtful decorating choices and handcrafted details can elevate your home inside, making each room feel more intentional, stylish, and uniquely you. These simple DIY touches not only enhance your space but also bring a calming energy that only nature-inspired decor can offer. If you enjoyed today's project and feel inspired to continue designing a home that reflects your creativity, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with others who love decorating as much as you do. Your support helps grow the Hamburling Studio community, a place where creativity thrives, ideas are shared, and every DIY moment becomes part of something bigger. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video, where style, creativity, and inspiration continue to break the ordinary.